Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. The man is the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. If you act certain way, you manifest that stuff. You need to understand that what you do in this moment, that's what you attract. What you are configuring, that's what you are designing. If you are creative in one way, that's when you will manifest these certain things. You always need to stay positive, confident, and keep pushing forward, because only through positive actions you will be able to attract more of this confidence, more of the positive attractions, more of the moments that will enhance your personality and push you forward. You are what you think the most about, because the people that you hang out with, this is what makes you to go through every day. You are thinking about those circumstances, you are thinking, you're remanaging, you're rewiring your brain through the moments that are happening to you. You are the person who you are hanging out with. So you need to stay away from the toxic people. You need to stay away from the people that always try to take the energy from you, who act negatively. You need to stay with those ones who can mentor you, who can you rely on, and you can support you. It's more important that you have that greatness in you that will take you forward, and the people that who can give you support and who are willing to invest in your relationship with them, those are those who will take you to the next step. Okay, so manage your mind, think positively, and be the person who you always wanted to be. Okay, see you later.